Are you overwhelmed by the complexities of the stock market? We're about to dive headfirst into the electrifying world of Wall Street. No longer just for the elite, the stock market is now accessible to everyone. It's a battlefield where dreams are forged, fortunes are made and sometimes shattered, and where you, yes you, can stake your claim in the greatest wealth creation machine ever known. By the end of this guide, you'll be armed with the knowledge and confidence to conquer the stock market. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's dive in. All right, folks, let's break it down. What exactly is a stock? In the simplest terms, a stock is a slice of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're becoming a part owner of that business. If the company does well, your stock value goes up. If it stumbles, you might see your investment take a hit. But why do companies sell stocks in the first place? Simple, they need money to grow, innovate, and beat the competition. By selling stocks, they can raise capital without going into debt. Stocks come in different flavors: common stocks with voting rights and preferred stocks with regular dividends. It's like choosing between a say in the company's direction or a steady stream of income. The choice, my friends, is yours. So you're ready to dip your toes into the stock market? Excellent. Let's talk about how to get started. First things first, you need a brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. Shop around, compare fees, and find one that suits your needs. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to fund it. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Now comes the fun part, picking your stocks. Start with what you know. Look at the company's financials, their growth prospects, their competition, and remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and companies. It's all about balancing risk and reward. And always stay informed. Diversifying your portfolio. Beyond stocks, a truly savvy investor knows the importance of diversification. First up, we have index funds. These are like a buffet of stocks all wrapped up in one neat package. It's a great way to get broad market exposure without the hassle of managing a bunch of individual stocks. Next on our list is real estate. I'm talking about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. By investing in a REIT, you can get exposure to the real estate market without the headache of being a landlord. Last but not least, let's talk about business ownership. Investing in private companies or startups can offer potentially higher returns. Just remember, with great potential comes great risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your due diligence. Diversification is the key to a robust investment strategy. Invest young. The early bird gets the worm benefits of investing young. If you're in your 20s or 30s and you're not investing yet, you're leaving money on the table. Here's the magic word: compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it goes. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Let's say you start investing $200 a month at age 25. By the time you're 65, you could have over $500,000. But it's not just about the money. Starting young gives you time to learn, make mistakes, and refine your strategy. You can afford to take more risks when you're young because you have time to recover from any losses. Plus, investing early helps you develop good financial habits. So don't wait for the perfect time to start investing. The perfect time is now. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Now, the top crop, top performing stocks of the decade. Let's talk about the superstars of the stock market. These are the companies that have delivered eye-popping returns over the past decade. At the top of our list, we have none other than Netflix. If you had invested $1,000 in Netflix a decade ago, you'd be sitting on over $40,000 today. Next up, we have Amazon. A $1,000 investment in Amazon a decade ago would be worth over $20,000 today. We can't talk about top performers without mentioning Tesla. A $1,000 investment in Tesla a decade ago would be worth over $100,000 today. But remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. There are always opportunities in the market. The key is to keep your eyes open, do your research, and be ready to act when you spot a potential winner. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how tempting it might be. Now, are you ready to find the next Netflix, Amazon, or Tesla? Let's get to work. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider consulting with a financial advisor. There are also numerous online tools and platforms that can help you make informed decisions. Educate yourself with courses and resources to build your confidence and knowledge. With the right guidance and tools, you can navigate the stock market with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights on the stock market.